Hi everyone, welcome to Uflyer, your one-stop destination for all English and IELTS related materials. Today we are going to talk about an important question and how to answer that. Well, what it is? Describe something about yourself, a common question that comes in all the interviews. Now before we begin, all of you who are new to this channel, please to hit the subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us. So with that said, let's start. In an interview, we have seen that this is a common question across any interview or any platforms that you go. This is the first question that you're going to receive. What it is? Describe something about yourself. Now this question can be a make or a break. So how do we answer this? I am going to give you the stepwise method on how to do the same. Let's start with the first one. Remember, we should start this answer on a very high and a positive note. You can give out your name and you can talk about your career. You can talk about your goals and vision. Next, you can then talk about your relevant experiences. And I repeat, relevant experiences. That means any experience that you believe does not match your present job description, do not include them. Only include those experiences that you believe are relevant. Well, the next thing that we must keep in mind is that we can use a lot of good words, vocabularies and adjectives. Remember, you can also use all kinds of accreditations, certifications or any achievements that you have got from your previous employers. You can talk about those. You can also make a small note about your hobbies or what kind of languages, how many languages do you know? How can you communicate? If you're aware of any local language, please do mention that as well. Now, towards the end, please end this question on a positive note and with a lot of energy, expecting the next question to come in. Well, if you have liked this information and you're looking forward for more such tips on interview skills, please don't forget to follow us. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.